people.
Happy Martin Luther King Day. Guys, today it is cold.
It is very cold.
In Georgia.
It is.
And specifically cold in Atlanta.
It is cold.
So, okay, guys, today we are coming to you live
on location.
From the King Center.
Yes, the King Center.
And if you've never been here before, the King Center pretty much is an area that houses Ebenezer. Well, when I say, let me back that up, okay? So the King Center is its own entity, I guess is the best way to put it, okay? But in this same area, we have the original Ebenezer Baptist Church. We also have the newer
Ebenezer Baptist Church,
which is right there behind us, guys.
Sitting right over there.
Okay, and then right over there, on that side over there, you guys will see this later. Yeah. But there's also a recreation center. And there's also
so much.
Is it the International Walk of Fame, I think it's called?
Yes.
Yeah. So
and
that's
the
also
Rights Walk of Fame.
I'm sorry, the Civil Rights, is that what it's called? Yeah. Okay, my bad. The Civil Rights, you guys will see this later on in the video.
Right.
And I think that's, and also the Martin Luther King house is also in this area.
Yeah.
It's the house that he was born in.
It's all in the same location.
Yes. Everything's in walking distance, so it's very, very convenient. And again, we'll be showing you guys all this stuff. And I think, is that everything?
And then we'll also show you the tomb of Dr. Martin Luther King and Coretta Scott King as well.
So guys, stay tuned and take this walk with us, all right?
Yep.
See you in a minute. Hey family, okay, so I got Minnie over here hiding under her mask. We are standing right next to the world famous Ebenezer Baptist Church in Atlanta, Georgia. If you don't know, Ebenezer Baptist Church is where Martin Luther King was baptized. Not only was he baptized here, at the age of 19, he also gave his trial sermon and he became an ordained minister at this church. Now, right across the street over here is the Martin Luther King Center. It's also the home to the new Ebenezer Baptist Church. And when I say new, I'm saying new from what was once now old Ebenezer Baptist Church. So guys, hang on, because our next stop's going to be actually over at the King Center. We're going to show you what's over there, okay? Let's go.
Alright family, so you just saw Melissa over here showing you Ebenezer Baptist Church. This is the old one. And then when I swing around here, this is what the new improved Ebenezer Baptist Church looks like. But we're going to also go to the King Center so we can go ahead and show you what that looks like. So we'll see you over there.
Okay, family, so this is the area that we pointed out that was right next to, kind of behind Ebenezer Church. Normally this is open, But of course, you know, due to what's going on right now, it is actually closed, and it's right here. And we're doing it so you guys kind of have an idea where everything is if you ever decide to visit this area. So this area is closed. And that's showing you the restoration of some of the buildings in the area right here. So guys, right here is a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. And there's also a statue right here. There's a nice park over here to the left. And then also right here in this building is a recreation center. Right there. Okay, so right over here we have the International Civil Rights Walk of Fame. Right here. Those are all the inductees. Let me get myself out of the shot so you can see it better. There you go. And then right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. So we're just getting a little bit closer. This is closed right now, so we just want to get like a little closer look for you guys. It's the front door of the house. Hopefully you guys can see that. And from what I understand, if you have a house in this area, they make you, maintain like the original state of the house as much as possible. Wrap around to the front. So these are actually pictures of the home, which is great since we can't go inside right now. And you guys, hopefully I'm not going too fast. If I am, make sure you pause this video so you can see it a little bit better. More pictures of the family. So, there you go.
Wait, who lives here?
And then the house is right there where we just came from.
Who's youngest?
Artist, writer, and poet from New Jersey. So in honor of this beautiful family of love poem, I'm standing here live at the Martin Luther King Center for Nonviolent Social Change in Edinburgh. And this piece reads like this: My beloved sister, my queen, I must tell you, 6+ years ago, this gentleman here, your king, your husband, oh, he's a man, who had simply received in his heart a divine appointment for Auburn Ave NE to protect your life. And on that day, I believe that this gentleman, your king, and your husband understood and knew intuitively that our Creator, God, did not drop you so beautiful as you are. But even more importantly than that, as beautiful as you are to your family, your friends, children, even more importantly than all of them, beautiful as you are to them. The church will always be in them. Since the God did not drop you in this world to be his regular girl, the truth of the matter is you have been set aside, handpicked, and chosen millenniums to go by angels, to meet him and to greet him. And well, you accomplished your mission, because it was to become his lawful wife, but brother, you lost the fight, she hit you hard with that right. And you surrendered, and you asked her for her lovely, beautiful, and affectionate hand. And 6 years in the making, it is undisputed. As God knows now, I know, and any man who is bold enough to walk up on your beautiful wife, they soon find out who is her man, her husband, and her children. That would be you. If I were to pull your husband to the side and say, come on, brother, let's take a walk, you'd be like, oh, Mr. Poet. We ain't got to walk nowhere talking about poetry and my wife and my children, concerning my family. I can simply tell you that she is, my child is the love of my life.
All right, family. We hope that you guys enjoyed this video.
Yes, we do. We hope you enjoyed it.
We are right here at the corner of Boulevard and Auburn Avenue in Atlanta,
Yeah,
Georgia.
that's
We are
it.
about less than a block from the birthplace of Dr. Martin Luther King, guys. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you guys have been here before, let us know in the comment section
Let us know
below.
in the comments below.
Also, we'll make sure to leave the information about where we are in the description box below, guys. We hope that you guys are having an amazing Martin Luther King Day today, guys.
An amazing one.
If you can, take some time to reflect on the life of Dr. Martin Luther King, guys. And if you have children, make sure you sit down and discuss with them about his life and his legacy, guys.
Right. And if you don't know him at all, Google him.
Make sure you do that. Please
Do
go to
that,
Google.
for sure. Google knows everything.
Google
He
does.
definitely knows about. They definitely know about that.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Again, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give us a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
If you're not part of our family, please consider joining our family, guys.
Yes.
And until the next video, bye.
Peace.